Hello everyone, in this week's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this very simple mountain loch scene. So you'll just need some simple supplies, rollers and student grade acrylics, a piece of mixed media paper and obviously a gel plate. So I'll show you how I set it up and how I print this plate using simple techniques with torn pieces of paper. So without further ado, let's get started. Hello everyone, so today the video I am going to have a go at creating a landscape using the jelly plate just with cut out pieces of paper. So it sounds quite a simple technique, but it's actually quite a brain cruncher because you have to kind of think backwards. Anyway, so I'll have a go on camera, see if I can do something decent. So the first layer I'm going to do is a sort of textured light colour layer. So I'm going to use, in here I've got some charcoal powder, so I'm just going to sprinkle some charcoal powder onto my page. Oh, no, didn't mean to do that much. Okay, so just want a little bit of texture. And then I'm going to put some white paint. This is just acrylic paint, student grade paint that I'm using. A little bit of, oops, pink. I'm going to take a glue spreader so I just get a wee tiny bit on my, I don't want too much of that pink. A little dab of it. Okay, that didn't work. Right, so I'm going to just use my roller just to try and get a soft background. It's gone a little bit blue there because I did a little practice run that went wrong and it's still got blue on the roller, so that's a bit of a mistake there. Let's see if I can get a bit more of the pink. Okay, let's try that. So I've put a piece of tape around my gel plate here just to try and keep it in the same position, and what I've done is I've got a piece of mixed media paper here and I've also done the same with that. Put a bit of masking tape to try and keep it aligned. It's just a bit of a simple way to do it. And oh, I've got one of these. Forget. Because somebody said to me, you're always missing this bit when you do it with your hand. And I noticed I am in the video, so I thought that might help me get a more of an even cover. So what happens when you lift the jelly plate, it moves. Oh, that's pretty cool. Probably a bit more than I would have liked. Anyway, we'll just go with it. So probably would have a bit less of that charcoal. I'm going to take that off now, and it's not that easy to get off, so I'm just going to use a bit of baby oil and a dry piece of tissue. Just take that off. It's a wee bit stubborn. Looks a bit like a mouldy bathroom wall. I'm not quite sure if it's the look I was going for. Anyway, we'll persevere. So this paper here is just cheap paper that you get like in B&M or whatever. You just pick up these in the kids aisle. It's like 60 GSM, so it's great for just cleaning off your pages or cutting up for this. So what I want to do is have my first sort of layer. Actually, this background's not right at all. I think I'm just going to do it again. Right, let's start again. Okay. The mouldy wallpaper was throwing me there. Where's my take two, guys? It's been a while since I did a YouTube video, so I'm a bit out of practice. I've been busy with my new course, so sorry you've had to wait so long for this next one. Anyway, so that's lined up and we have a nice clean page there. So let's see if I can get a tiny bit of this to come out. For texture, not mouldy wall. Right. There's been an easier way of doing this. Whoa. Okay. Now I want some white here. Right, let's try this again. Okay, that's more like it. Just a sort of bit more subtle. And we'll take that off. Okay, doke. Right, so for my first layer, I want the sort of the hills in the background. So what I'm doing is putting a piece of paper here and there, and then I'm just going to roughly draw where the hill is that I want to do the first. So I'm building it up so the lightest towards the darkest here, and I kind of want it to be, and this is the horizon, and then the mountains are here, and then we've got the reflection in the water. So I want my mountain in the distance. Right, so this bit here wants to stay pink, so we're taking away this bit of paper. The paper will tear easily one way and not the other, so it's not going easy turned around. It's like a wart and a weft, is that the right way? So yeah, so we want this, that's covering up, so this bit will stay the same. It's taking me back to my screen printing days. I was never very good at that. Remembering or thinking backwards. Okay, so that one goes there. So I want a kind of a lightish blue for this one. I've just got a bit of sort of turquoisey colour and some Payne's grey mixed here. Right, so this is the trick to remember, is to take that bit off. Keep it up there, you might need to use that again. Keep those two bits together. and then you just pop your paper over. If you don't have one of these, a good tip is the top of a Pringles lid. If you want to, some people have trouble getting their hand flat like that, so that's just a way to help it. Oh yeah, cool. Right, just check our plates back in the right place. Now, what I want to do next is a hill that's sort of going up this way. So I need our 2 bits of paper again. So I want that. Oh dear. I don't. Okay, so that's the bit that we're printing, and that will be a slightly darker colour again. A bit more of the Payne's grey, a little bit of black. Not too dark actually. Mix a bit of this is sort of a phthalo blue. Sure that's going to work. Quite subtle. Okay, then we've got our middle section. I think I might do another hill here. Gonna work. Just a slightly different shape. Payne's grey. Oh, That's pretty cool, isn't it? Right, so now I want something quite dark in the middle here. I like that. So I think that's quite nice. It's just a simple little landscape built up with sections of paper. Looks pretty cool. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that little YouTube video, and if you get any questions, pop them below, and I'll see you in a couple of weeks for the next one. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. Bye for now.